Okay, last review video for exam 2. And this one is easy. This is the plant one. You guys went around and took pictures of plants on campus, and there are 5 characteristics that you have to know how they correlate to the environment in which a plant evolved. So, leaf size, if we have big leaves, large leaves, we can have high water loss, which means that we are in a rainy environment. If we have little small leaves, we want to have low water loss, which means that we are in a dry environment. If leaves are light in color, they are trying to prevent water from evaporating. Which means we are in a dry climate and possibly a hotter climate, like a desert. If we have dark color, then we are not worried about having a bunch of evaporation. So we are going to be in a rainier or humid environment. Root depth, which you're not going to have a picture of root depth, I don't think, but if you have a taproot that is very deep, you're going to have a dry climate or possible very cold climate, as opposed to surface roots. We're going to have a rainy / warm environment. With bark, if it's thick like this, it's going to insulate from extreme temperatures. Now, extreme temperatures can be hot or cold, right? You can have thick bark to insulate from fire. If you have thinner bark like this, it means you have warmer temps, but also less of a need to conserve water. So these environments are going to be wetter and warmer. And then the type of trunk has to do with how much shade it gets in the soil. This one is not going to be on it, so you can cancel that one out. Basically, you're going to get a picture or 2 pictures of plants, and you're going to just have to infer something about the environment based upon its characteristics. So if I give you a plant that has very large, dark colored leaves, you're going to be, oh, that's obviously from a rainy environment, right? It can spare the water loss. If I show you something that is very light colored, it's going to be from a very dry and hot environment. That's it. Easy breezy, not complicated at all.